DeBarge was an American musical recording group composed of several members of the DeBarge family. In addition to various solo projects completed by members of the family, DeBarge was active between 1979 and 1989. The group originally consisted of L, Mark, Randy, and Bunny. James joined the group a year later for their second album. Bobby and Chico joined in 1987 and 1988 respectively, replacing Bunny and L. DeBarge released 6 studio albums, 4 of them with Motown subsidiary Gordy Records. These albums included the DeBarges, All This Love, In a Special Way, and Rhythm of the Night. The latter became the group's best-selling album and contained the single Rhythm of the Night, which hit number 3 on the US Billboard Hot 100, making it their highest-charting single in America. In the mid-1980s, L and Bunny each went solo and DeBarge was subsequently released from its contract. The remaining members signed with Stripe Horse Records, an independent label, in 1987, which released their final studio album, Bad Boys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.